Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Freeborn County, southeastern Steele County, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Elendale, or 13 miles south of Owatonna, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Blooming Prairie, Elendale, Steele Center, and Bixby. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing large hail. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota, Freeborn, and Steele. This is weather radio station W.
Wow. That was...
We broadcast from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Chanhassen, Minnesota, serving listeners throughout much of south-central Minnesota. The current time is 6:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The National Weather Service issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Freeborn County, southeastern Steele County, until 7:30
You didn't go off for that one.
At 6:55 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near Elendale, or 13 miles south of Owatonna, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail. The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Mower County in southeastern Minnesota, southwestern Dodge County in southeastern Minnesota, until 7:30 p.m. At 7:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Blooming Prairie, or 15 miles south of Owatonna, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Mower and southwestern Dodge counties, including the following locations: Brookside Campground, Highway 30 and County 3, and Graves Landing Field. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota, Dodge and Mower. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm. Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lee Seward County, southwestern Rice County, northeastern Waseca County, until 7:45 p.m. At 7:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Elgin, or 17 miles east of Mankato, moving east at 20 miles per hour.
Come on, focus.
Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Waterville, Morristown, Ellison, and Cicada Lake State Park. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing large hail. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota, Lee Seward, Rice, and Waseca. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has